In this tutorial we will see that how you can change lock screen clock on Android. So let's dive right in. So to change lock screen clock, open up your apps and simply open up your phone settings from here. Then you have to scroll a bit. Here you will get this home screen and lock screen. But if you didn't find this, you can simply come to this search and search for home screen and lock screen. So it's showing me here. I will simply open it. Here you have to search for always on display. It will show here, but in new devices like I'm using OnePlus 9. So in my phone, this always on display option is showing on this wallpapers and style. I will open this one for my phone, and here you can see that in the right upper side it's showing here always on display. I will open it, and after opening this, if I scroll it down, you can see here it's showing me different clocks that I can use to change lock screen clock on Android. If I swipe left, it's showing here more options. If I open this one, here it's showing more customizations like this. Now to apply it, simply I will click on this apply and it will be applied. So all you need to do is simply you have to find always on display. You can also search this on your settings search bar and change your lock screen clock on Android.